Page 43, Jigg. Generally how it's pronounced, I think. It's a jig. It's a lively dance in 6/8 time. You can feel it there. Just you'll feel it. It's a fun thing. It gets the fingers moving. It livens up the party a little bit. Let's look it over. It's 3 lines long, not very long. Treble and bass clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature. This is in the key of C major, so do the scales and arpeggios for C major and A minor. 6/8 time. An eighth note gets a count. We're coming in on beat 6. 6 and 1. 6 and 1. Work out the notes in the fingering. Try and connect the notes. We want a fingering that lets us connect it if possible. Left hand, same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest. Yeah, whatever. Now put the hands together. And then here, thumb here, here, and here. Anyway, you go through and put the hands together. And then go back over just a measure or 2 at a time and get rid of the hesitations. Keep it slow, but no hesitations. And once I can do that, I'll think about the articulation, and this is fairly connected. You can lift up. It's like each phrase starts with a pickup beat. Lift up. You want to put in the phrasing, that's fine. Each phrase seems to start with a pickup beat. You're going to find that quite common. If a phrase at the beginning starts with a pickup beat, there's a good chance the other phrases inside will too. Doesn't have to, but a lot of times it will. The left hand, I'm just going to connect it. And then the dynamics apply to the melody, which is the right hand. Sort of loud. This needs to stay under it. We want to hear the right hand, and you got soft and loud. You can see the dynamics. Then the speed is allegro, jocoso. Allegro is kind of quick. Jocoso is playfully and happy. Natural accents with the left hand's playing on them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Generally, you'll feel this in 2. Something like that. You could go even a little faster than that if you wanted to, but it needs to be accurate, so it's up to you on how fast you go. As I said earlier, you can come back and play through all these pieces for the fun of it. Later on, as the years go on, you'll play them faster and better at that time too.